Hello everyone, this is just me doing a quickie. I know how you like a quickie. Just to thank you. Oh, hello. These are the girls. You say hi to the girls. Hello girls. Mwah. Oh, there's more girls. Hi girls. They really want me to feed them, and I will. I will eventually. It's a bit early yet for your dinner. Yeah. And Hooch. There's Hooch. As always. Yeah. It's just really me, wanting to thank you all. I've reached 500 subs. So, I don't know, maybe maybe there's like 10 of you that actually like me and watch my content, which is fine, whatever. But yeah, I really just, I just want you to know that I appreciate every single one of you. Yeah, I never thought that I would get to 500. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I didn't think I'd get to 500. I didn't think I'd get to 10. let's just say that. Oh, and then we've got the horses. I'm sure they're very grateful as well. Hey, you lot. Hello. Hi. Oh, you're going to come and say hi? I don't have any food for you just yet, but you can say hi. Hey? Ah. Don't be a bastard. I know what you're like. Don't be a bastard. Hey? This is Boo. Boo's a bastard. You are. You know it. That's why you're putting your ears back. 'Cause you know. Say thank you, Boo. Say thank you. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Okay? I like you. I do, even though you're a bastard. And this one's precious. Hello, my little precious. Hello. Oh, I know. Yeah. I will. I'll give you some food soon. But yeah, staying over at my parent-in-law's house, or the ex-parent-in-laws. Look, basically they're my version of mum and dad, because I don't really have that. And they're the father of my children. They, yeah. I don't know what I don't know what to say about them, except I fucking love them. And yeah, they're as good as it gets, as close as it gets to parents for me. And that they still love me and support me 1,000%, even though I'm not with their son anymore. And I'm looking after their house for a little bit while they're away celebrating their anniversary. And I thought that, what are you doing? What are you doing? That I would just do a video, and I don't know. I had no idea what what I was going to do. I just really want to thank you all and let you know that I appreciate every single one of you. If you've ever watched a video of mine, if you've ever commented, you matter to me. Like, you really do. You really do. Look, there's some oranges. Let's distract me. Yeah. So I'm at 500 now, and oh, look, there's some grapefruit. Yeah, I just never thought when I first started my channel, and you know me, you guys know me, what I fucking waffle on. Yeah, I never thought that I would get to 500. I mean, absolutely, I'm pushing for more. So, I don't know, share me out, like, subscribe, comment, all the fucking things. And I'll just keep bringing you the same, the same fucking average content. But very much with you guys in mind, and very much comes from a place of love. And I don't know, I want you all to be happy and healthy. Make sure that you're hydrated and sexy. You know how important that is. Again, thank you. Thank you for putting up with me. And I love you. And I mean that sincerely. Sorry. Sorry, I don't mean to cry. But, yeah, it touches my heart that there's 500 people in the world that have gone, yeah, I don't mind this bitch. And you've stuck around. And I get to share a little bit of my world with you. And I hope that my little world, I hope that it pleases you somewhat. Because I do happen to live just on one of the most amazing places, mountains, little corners of the world. And I want to share that with you all. So yeah, I'm gonna go before I cry again. Thank you so much, and yeah, fucking rock out with your cock out, people. Much love. Mwah. Thank you. Come again.